This review is of Simply Nature organic chocolate chip banana soft baked mini cookies. They're dairy free, they're vegan, they're non GMO, USDA organic, gluten free certified. Wow. Okay. It's one of the great things about Simply Nature, yeah? Alright. So here's the information. And let's go ahead and dig into this, and I'll let you know what I think about it. Oh, they come in little packages. There are 5 of them. That's nice for popping into a lunchbox or something like that for yourself or your kid. Oh, now I have an excuse to eat a bunch of little cookies. Little cookies. Little. They're very small. See? That's small. Almost. Well, they're bigger than my thumbnail. I can say that. Wow. Very chewy. They've got dense. Well, I don't know if it's chewy or it's more of a denseness. The taste of banana. Not so much the chocolate. So these are actually nice. There I got a bite of salt. Yeah, sometimes it seems like they didn't mix it well enough, so every once in a while I get a bite of something other than what I'm supposed to be tasting, like the salt. There was something else I couldn't figure out what it was, but I shouldn't have tasted it. That's the only thing that's clear to me. Overall, it's a nice cookie. Don't really expect much as far as the chocolate chips are concerned. They're very small. The banana is the largest font, if you notice, so that's the dominant flavor. And then you get some chocolate chip cookies, and again, they're dense. So it's not that they're hard or crisp or anything like that. You can feel the resistance as you're chewing into it, but it's not like chewy, like rubbery or anything like that. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.